What do you think?
He's a lot. Are you fucking kidding me?
Is it?
I think you're fucking.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
There's your hamburger for that.
I think you fucking nailed him big time, and I think he's a nice fish, dude. I think you're full of shit if you don't think
Oh, I
that.
couldn't see the whole body. I just saw that. You gotta understand.
Oh, really? Wait, hold on. Oh, really?
Yeah, because you're the Did you get that?
I got it, my friend.
Here we go.
I think you're gonna think he's bigger than what you think he is, dude.
He's
24? What in the hell are you talking about? Wait, you put your foot on the other side. Real nice. Easy. Yeah. All right, smile. You're in camera. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Did you see what happened when I moved that fucking decoy up high?
Yeah.
How quick that fish goes in?
Yeah.
Holy shit, dude. Whew, sorry. Hey, remember, children's video. I got him down there. Got him down there, pal. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Were you able to get that or not?
Yeah, I got that.
Look at the size of this fish, dude. Oh my gosh, look at the size of this fish, dude.
Not bad, is he?
No. No.
Okay, buddy.
You ready? Here we go. Here's the moment of truth, man.
Nice.
Oh, that's a nice fish, isn't it? Dude. Dude, look at this fish. It's bigger than you think.
Yep.
Wow. Look at the mouth on this. Look at the mouth on this thing, man.
That's awesome.
It's a male.
Yep.
It's kind of cool to get a male, isn't it?